The Dubai chocolate strawberry. Basically, I left the bottom uncovered and I did the pistachio mixture on the front part of this. A couple ways that we can do this. So this was left in the fridge overnight, so it obviously got really hard, like the chocolate. And that's because this is a mixture of the kataifi, the white chocolate, and pistachio butter. When you're making this for the strawberries, the best thing to do would be to make the mixture, then let it chill so that it's more of like a thick, scoopable texture. Because right after I made this with like the melted chocolate, the butter, and this kataifi, it was a little bit too sticky to mold onto this, so it made it really difficult. But you can see that this looks pretty clean compared to the first time we tried, and it was getting all over the strawberry, it was getting all over my hands, and you can see it's not really leaving as much of a residue. Since this was left in the fridge overnight, I just microwaved it for about a minute because it was pretty solid, and so now I have this texture right here. So I'm going to show you how I molded it on the strawberry here. Try not to obviously use the super large strawberries for this, because with the mixture it fluffs it up a little bit, so you can use just like a slightly smaller size strawberry. A clean, dry strawberry. Let me use this melon baller. I used the bigger side of the melon baller. This is a good amount of the pistachio stuffing. That's the perfect amount. If the leaves are not pretty, take it off. But the leaves look just fine, so I'm fluffing them up like that. That works really nicely. It on. I was kind of swiping and pressing it into the strawberry, and I'm leaving the lower half bare. See, since we let the mixture cool or chill a little bit in the fridge, it's actually more moldable like Play-Doh, so it's not sticky. It's really hard to do this. You can't do this when it's super sticky. Now we're gonna dip these in chocolate. Okay, I got a separate container for the Dubai since it's pistachios. I really am not comfortable dipping this into the regular strawberry warmer that we have right here because I don't want cross-contamination. So all right, so half of the strawberries are going to, well, they're all going to be dipped in chocolate and coated with pistachio crumbs, but half of them are going to also get green drizzle. So we'll just go ahead and dip these first. Shake off the excess, you know the drill. I want to put some pistachio crumbs on it while it is still wet. Pistachios are expensive, so do us a favor and try not to waste these things. Thank you very much. You can see how thick these kind of get because they have the stuffing. So leaving the backside bare is what kind of helps not overload it and make it so heavy. Okay, we're gonna let that one dry so that we can do the drizzle on that one. Green drizzle with pistachio crumbs. Pistachios. Okay, so when you're assembling the 6-count box right here, I want to see it look like this picture but flipped. So we'll do the drizzled ones here and then these brown without the drizzle like crisscross.